What is up, guys, and welcome to the South Coast. Today's video will be implementing the next step on the backyard restoration project, and that is putting out some post-emergent herbicide. We got some dollar weeds, some other stuff going on that we're going to try to knock out, so y'all stay tuned and see how it comes together. Alright guys, so as you can see all around here out into the yard we got dollar weeds and other sort of weeds coming up. Not real sure what all I got going on, but we're going to get some herbicide put on these, see if we can't kill these weeds and give our grass a better chance at growing and spreading and doing what it needs to do. So let's go grab that herbicide and we'll get going. Alright guys, so the herbicide I'm using, it's a Roundup product. It's made for lawns. It says it may yellow the St. Augustine and Bermuda, but it's not going to kill it off, so we'll get this hooked up and get rolling. Alright guys, well we got that post-emergent herbicide sprayed out. I think that's about all I'm going to do in today's video. But I think the yard is coming together pretty good. This Bermuda, sort of as I'm looking around, this Bermuda's filling in the spots where it really took off. So I'm pleasantly surprised with the progress so far, especially with how the topsoil turned out that I put down, how much clay was in it. Sort of had some concerns about that in the beginning, but it's starting to fill in, starting to spread. I've got probably 4 or 5 cuts on it now, on the stuff that's well established, and it's come along good. I'm actually pretty blown away at how much better the rest of the grass is, like the existing St. Aug, and I don't know if I had Centipede or what else is out here honestly, but of St. Augustine and another type of grass. I really need to do some research on it to see exactly what it is, but those two existing grasses, the ones that were pretty well established before putting in all the dirt, they've thickened up so much, and I think it's just because I've been staying on top of keeping everything watered, and they're really responding well to that. So I'm pleased with that. I'll throw up some side-by-side pictures of what it looks like now versus what it looked like when I first put the dirt down, just to sort of show you the progress as it's come along. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm going to be posting some more progress videos, as well as the overseed / reseed video, and I'll be keeping y'all updated on how this is coming. But like I said, I'm pretty pleased with how everything's turning out. Hopefully this post-emergent herbicide sort of knocks those dollar weeds out, and the grass can take over, fill in the spots that the dollar weeds leave behind. But that'll be in the next video, be an update on how that's going. So y'all stay tuned. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video, if you like this series of videos on the backyard restoration. You can go back and watch them if you haven't seen the previous ones. But anyway guys, I hope y'all have a good one. Oh, also, leave me some comments. Let me know if I'm completely screwing up by putting down this post-emergent herbicide or what. Because like I said in previous videos, I really have no clue what I'm doing. Just sort of winging it. Going off of research I've done on YouTube and Google. Excuse me. But anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.